Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. You say I'm spending my money on other women. You take your money from someone else. Well, called your mom about 3 or 4 nights ago. Called your mom about 3 or 4 nights ago. I guess what, honey? Your mama said so. Don't call my daughter no more. Well, come on back home, babe. Try my love one more time. Come on back home, little John. Try my love one more time. You know things ain't gonna suit you. I think I'll lose my